Welcome to the world of lab rats. Here, life is not a celebration of freedom, but a gamble on survival. From birth, their fate is sealed. They exist solely to serve as test subjects. What do they face? Endless poking, prodding, and the unknown. Every day is a waiting game for these creatures. A wait for the next round of tests or the next exposure. They are often mistaken for just rats, but they are victims of an unforgiving system. But is this life only about testing? Let's dive deeper. Every experiment is a battle. Some trials lead to pain, others to liberation. But at what cost? They are subjected to drugs, surgery, and all sorts of testing procedures. Not all survive. The numbers tell a grim story of loss and suffering. Each test comes with a promise of scientific progress. But what about their individual stories? Hope diminishes with each passing day, yet life persists. A cruel irony of existence. Is there an end? For many, there is only the whisper of liberation, an elusive dream. What do scientists really gain? A drug, a cure, but at whose expense? The ethical questions arise. Are we justifying cruelty for progress? In our pursuit of medicine, are we losing our compassion? Lab rats are more than just subjects. They are sentient beings, deserving of empathy. Their sacrifice deserves recognition, not ignorance. It's time to challenge the status quo and spark change for all living beings. Change starts with awareness. If we recognize their plight, we can inspire a movement. It's our responsibility to ensure no creature suffers in silence. Together, we can turn this narrative around. Break the silence. Join the movement. Speak for those who cannot speak for themselves. It's time to ensure that lab rats are not just a number. They are lives worth saving. Together, we can create a compassionate future. Let's be the change.